new song? Well, dust off your tonsils, because today's new song is The Itsy Bitsy Spider. First, we pretend our hands are the spider, like this. Very good. Okay, now sing what I sing and do what I do.
Emma, did the baby do Itsy Bitsy Spider?
Let's try it again, only this time everybody sing. Let me see those spiders. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out